Welcome to Driven to the Diamond, presented by Jeff Belzer. I'm here with Gopher catcher Weber Neels. Thank you for joining us here this afternoon. Right now we're at home plate, and this happens to be home for you on a baseball field, but where's home for you in life?
Home for me is Cottage Grove, Minnesota. Been there for 21 years. Parents moved there when I was 1 year old, and been there ever since.
Who are some of the people that kind of influenced your journey in baseball? I know you mentioned was it your grandpa that played?
My grandpa played for the Milwaukee Braves in like the 50s. Growing up and how he came to pro ball was at a great visualization for me in the future. And then my dad played at Mankato.
Let's get here to first base, step on that base, and we're gonna move to the next chapter.
All right.
Was there a game or a season that you had that stood out that kind of set you up to make it to the next level?
Yeah, freshman year, thought I was gonna be, playing every game on varsity, and I started off on the ninth grade team. Proved myself at 9A ball, and then got called up to varsity a couple weeks before we ended up making it to the state championship game, and then we ended up winning state. So that was kind of like a really pivotal moment in my career.
I want to ask you what it's like to put on a Gopher uniform, a Gopher jersey, that M.
So there's a rich history of tradition here, and I mean, you look at the wall out there and left, like all those great names. It's an honor to wear that same logo and play on that same field, and be just surrounded by a whole bunch of amazing individuals. Play for your home state, so it's pretty special.
I want to ask you about your goals for this season. Have you laid any goals out? What are they?
Win every day, win the moment. I want to get us to the Big Ten tournament. I want to get us to Omaha. I think we deserve that.
You made it. Step on home plate. All the way around the bases.
That's right.
I appreciate the time.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
This has been Driven to the Diamond, presented by Jeff Belzers.